For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 7, verse 1 to 5. And the Lord said unto Noah, Come to and all thy house into the ark. For thee I seen righteous before me in this generation. Of every clean beast thou shalt take to thee by seven the male and female in his female. And of the beasts that are not clean by two, the male and his female. Of fowls also of the air by seven, the male and his female, to keep seed alive upon the face of all the earth. For yet 7 days I will cause it to rain upon the earth 40 days and 40 nights. Every living substances that I have made will I destroy them off from the face of the earth. And Noah did according unto all that the Lord commanded him. So this is the time that the Lord already commanded Noah to go unto the ark. So it also remind us that God never think twice to obliterate the people He created because of their wickedness. And Bible is not just all about encouragement and sometimes full of rebuke. So you too have time to repent and serve God.